Let's take a look at this example. The very first thing which we're supposed to do in this case, we're supposed to convert the radical form to exponent form. Okay, so I have y is equal 15x to power 3/2. Next, we're supposed to use the formula for a constant times a power of x. Okay, so we have dy over dx is equal derivative of 15x to 3/2 over dx. Okay, so this is equal 15, because we have to copy down constant, 15 times the exponent, so we have 3/2 times x, because my formula says multiply by x, and subtract the 1 from exponent. Okay, so I have 3/2 minus 1, but because this is fraction, I have to have fraction over here, and the denominator of this fraction is going to be 2, exactly the same denominator which I have over here. And because I want to have 1, the top also must be 2, because 2 divided by 2 is equal 1. So this is equal 15 times 3 is 45. 45 divided by 2 is 22.5. So this is 22.5 x to power 3 minus 2 is 1 power 1/2. Okay, so this is one of the answers, or you can write that this is equal 22.5 square root of x. Okay, I can say that the problem is solved.